when I was searching for something that I didn't know, but it was to do with the heart, and it was to do with the things in my mind that don't work for me. Luba came very quickly, and when I met Luba, straight away there was a miracle. A strange man got down on one knee, literally, just after the first talk with Luba. And that was something that was just, I don't know how, but that happened. And it's true. This is so magical. This is so transformative. If you're looking for transformation of the heart and of the mind, it's all here. It's here. I'm looking at Luba. It's here. Yeah.